show him bacon.
You're chopping grass. Hey, that could be a weed eater. Riker's weed eater. Alright, try again.
No!
No, it'll go above you. Mr. Break It. There you go, and bring it back. Now turn it. You know how to turn too? Is the other hand. Not bad.
I just turned it with this one.
Oh, don't do that. Here's when you want to turn left and right, you go this way. They both do it. Do you know that?
And up.
Yeah. Go try again. You're doing really good. You need to go set it back up, son.
Can I try it once? I don't got a drone flying yet.
Yours is charging.
I know, but I don't got a drone flying yet.
Just let him work, and you'll get yours back out here.
Oh, Dad! Here, Dad! I'm turning it on.
Not while she's touching it.
Oh, what's that?
Just go let him go. It's fine. Just hit the gas.
Oh, got caught by the tree.
Why is it doing all that stuff?
I saw some grass fly.
Backwards.
Backwards.
Shut it off. You're just going one way.
I'm going two ways.
You need practice.
Can I try? I don't.
Ask him.
Can I try flying it once, Tiger?
I doubt it. He didn't get to fly very much.
No.
Saw that coming.
Because that's it.
We each fly our own drone, right?
Yep.
That way, if it gets broken, it's only our fault.
Yep.
But yours is almost charged, Kai.
How is it almost charged that quick?
You call me liar?
Yes, I call you liar.